In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a welcome message in Discord. If you want your server to automatically greet new members as soon as they join, this is a great feature to use. It helps make your community feel more active and welcoming, and once it's set up, it runs automatically in the background. I'll walk you through the full process from inside Discord and the DynoBot dashboard, so everything is easy to follow. To get started, open the Discord app. Once you're in, go to the server where you want to add the welcome message. At the top of the server, click on the server name to open the menu. From there, select App Directory. This is where you can find apps and bots that work with Discord. In the search bar, type Dyno, then press Enter. When Dyno appears in the results, click on it. After that, click Add App, and then choose the option to visit the site. Depending on how Discord responds on your device, you may either be taken directly to the Dyno website, or you may briefly return to the Discord app first. Either way, that's normal, so just continue until you're on the Dyno setup page. Once you're there, select the server where you want Dyno to be added, then click Continue. After that, click Authorize. This gives Dyno permission to work inside your server and manage the welcome message feature. When that's done, you can close that authorization window. Now go back to your Discord server, because the next thing you need is a place for the welcome message to appear. Create a new channel by choosing the text channel option. For the channel name, most people use something simple, like a welcome channel, since that makes its purpose clear for new members. Once you've entered the name, click Create Channel. After your channel is ready, go back to the Dyno website. This is where you'll actually configure the welcome message. On the Dyno dashboard, click Modules. In the search area, type Welcome so you can quickly find the correct module. When it appears, turn it on using the toggle. After enabling it, click Settings to open the customization options. Inside the Welcome module, click Message. Here, you'll be able to create the actual message that new members will see when they join your server. You may also notice some variables listed there. These are placeholders that Dyno can automatically replace with server-specific information. For example, a variable like user will insert the name or mention of the person who just joined. It's a simple way to make the message feel more personal without needing to type anything manually each time. Take a moment to review those variables so you understand how they function. Once you're familiar with them, type your welcome message. A basic example would be, "Welcome to the server, user." You can keep it short and friendly, or tailor it to match the tone of your community, as long as you stay within the message setup provided there. On the right side of the settings, choose the channel you just created. This tells Dyno exactly where the welcome message should be posted. After selecting the correct channel, click Update to save your changes. At this point, your setup should be complete. Now, whenever someone joins the server, Dyno will automatically send the welcome message in that channel. To make sure everything is working properly, test it out. If the message appears the way you want, then you're all set. That's how to set up a welcome message in Discord using Dyno.